All right, so I'm just going to come over here, then click on analytics, so you can see how much this Shopify store has been able to do in Kenyan shillings. So I'm just going to click on the date here, then change it to 15 so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm going to click on apply, so you can see after it has been refreshed. All right, so this is over 1.9 million Kenyan shillings by simply using the Shopify platform to sell products online. So if this is something you'd like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so thanks for joining me once again, and like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can use the Shopify e-commerce platform to make money online in Kenya. But before we go into that, let me quickly give you a basic understanding of what the Shopify platform is all about for those that don't really understand what they do. So the Shopify e-commerce platform is an hosting platform that helps you to create an online store that you can use to sell your product online. Now, the product you're going to be selling online could be digital product, it could be physical product, it could be dropshipping product, it could be print on demand. Irrespective of the product you want to sell online, you can use the Shopify platform to set up an online store, then use it to sell the product to your customer. So it makes it easy to set up a store, then also make it easy to integrate payment gateway that you can use to receive payment from your customer. So there are several ways at which you can make money with the Shopify platform, and I'm going to be sharing them with you in this video. So for you to get started with the Shopify platform, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So when you go to the description of the video, when you click on the link, now you can easily set up a Shopify platform that is going to cost you just $1 for the next 3 months. Now, this is going to give you time to explore the platform, to get used to the platform, to help you understand how you can go about it and easily make money without wasting money on the platform. All right, so to get started, just go to the description of the video, click the link there, then start your free trial, and it's going to cost you just $1 for the next 3 months. So this is going to give you enough room to understand how well you can use the platform to make money. All right, so the first method at which you can make money with the Shopify platform is by selling dropshipping products. Now, what is dropshipping? Now, dropshipping is you simply going over to AliExpress. Now, look at any cheap product or hot selling product you know is going to do well, then import this product back to your Shopify store. So when you link your AliExpress to your Shopify store, now you can easily sell product on your Shopify store, then fulfill the order on AliExpress automatically. So the Shopify e-commerce platform makes it easy for you to connect several apps that can integrate your Shopify store to third selling website like AliExpress. So take for example, looking at this dropshipping website. Now, this is a Shopify dropshipping website I set up myself. So looking at this product is going to cost around $20 when you sell this product online. All right, as you can see here, it's an earpod cleaner kit, and this is going to cost around 19.99 cents, which is around $20. But if you go over to AliExpress, you're going to see this product around $1. So if you are getting this product for $1 and you are selling it for $20 on your Shopify store, your profit cap is going to be around $15 if you're going to be having the money you use to advertise the product. So this is still a very good profit margin. All right, so basically what you want to do is you want to link your Shopify store with AliExpress, and whenever people come over to your Shopify store, place an order for this product. Now the order is going to be fulfilled automatically on AliExpress, and you keep the profit exchange for yourself. So this is basically how it works. So what you want to do is you want to set up your store. Like I said, just go to the description of the video, click the link, and this is to set up your store. And once your store is set up, what you want to do is you want to add a payment gateway to your Shopify store. If you are currently in Kenya, I know you can use Stripe and a PayPal to receive payment from international audience. So I did a video on how you can easily set up your Shopify store, add payment gateway to it, and start selling using the dropshipping business model. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here, so you can watch the video and see how you can easily set up your Shopify store and use it to sell products online. All right, so the first method at which you can use the Shopify platform to make money is by selling dropshipping product, and you can use AliExpress as your supplier website. So when you log into your Shopify store, you're going to see several other suppliers websites that you can link to your Shopify store, like CJ Dropshipping, like Spocket, and several others. So you can easily add them to your store, then import product to your Shopify store, then sell online and make profit in USD. So this is the first method at which you can use the Shopify platform to make money. So the second method, which is what I'm doing here, is by selling your own personal product. So what you want to do as well is set up a Shopify store. Okay, so when you've created your Shopify store, now you want to look for a product that you're going to be selling. All right, so this has to be a good product. Now the product you're going to be selling is going to be sold in your country. So this means you have to go over to a supplier website like AliExpress, Alibaba. So purchase this product in bulk. Okay, you could also go to Alibaba. So when you go over to Alibaba, you'll be able to buy this product by white labeling them. So they give you option to buy products and white label them. What I mean by white label is you could buy product on Alibaba, then add your own brand label, add your own brand logo to the product. So whenever you are selling in your country, they're going to think you are the one manufacturing this product, but the product is actually outsourced to suppliers on Alibaba, so they can add your logo to it and sell it using your own brand. So what you want to do is you want to look for product on this supplier website. When you see a good product, then you want to ship it down to your country. When you ship it down to your country, you want to create a Shopify store. So once you've created a Shopify store, now you can now use Shopify to sell this product online. So you can create a Shopify store, then link Paystack as a way of receiving payment from your customer. You could also use Instant Send to receive payment from your customer, depending on which way you want to receive money from your customer. And you could also do cash on delivery. Now when you do cash on delivery, it's going to be much easier because people are going to be paying when they receive the product. All right, so what you want to do here is you want to partner with a third-party fulfillment company that is going to help you deliver the product, then also collect cash on delivery from your customer. Now this method is very easy. The only thing you want to do is make sure you source for products that is going to do well. So whenever you have a product that is doing well, what you want to do is ship it down, then sell it using your Shopify e-commerce platform. So once you set up everything, you want to use Facebook to promote your product. You could also use Instagram to promote your product, and when people start ordering, now you can give them the option to make payment on delivery like I talked about. So this is basically how you can use the Shopify e-commerce platform to make money online in Kenya. So the third way is by selling print on demand product. Now print on demand product is equally you setting up a Shopify store, then look for a print-on-demand supplier website like Printify. So link your Shopify store with their website, then the design you're going to be selling on your store, add it to your store, and whenever people make a payment for this design, you can just fulfill the payment on the print-on-demand supplier website. All right, so this is basically how you can easily sit at home in Kenya, create a Shopify store, and make money online. All right, so this is how I've been able to do this, and I've been able to make money using this method. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.